Hey you guys, and welcome back to Diva Styles. In this video I'm just going to be giving you the measurements for the this is for the paper gift bag that I made. I don't know why I forgot to include it, but anywho, the square is pretty much the height, and the width is exactly the same. It's 2.4 by 2.4. If you want, you can also do a circle shape as well. I think that would look super cute. 2.4 shape, feel. Let's go to picture. Let's see what we can put. That looks cute. You can also make it a circle if you want to. It does not have to just be, you know, a square label. It can also be a square, a circle. You guys get creative with this, customize it, and yeah, that's pretty much it. So if you have any more questions, oh, when I used the, I used the sticker machine when I did the Xyron Creative Station Light. I laminated the images first and then ran it through there. So if you have any questions, please feel free to ask. And as always, I will see you guys very soon. Bye.